Hey Gia, for the shark project, I think what I'm going to do is I'll send you a uh, copy of this file right here, which has the shark built up to right before we um, add the fin. And what I'll do is I will, in this video, kind of walk through um, doing the fin and or at least getting you started on it, so you can see how it should, come up correctly. So what I'm starting at, let's see, at this step right here, where uh, we we're looking at the top view of the shaded um, figure here, and let's see. So I'm gonna walk through the steps. So the first thing it says to do is, so we've pressed the Z key to enter the shading mode, and I'm going to go into Edge Select with Control Tab, and pick Edge. Or I could have just clicked on this guy. But anyway, and it says Box Select the two edges on the top of the shark where the fin is going to be shown. The fin is as shown, and also notice that this shaded mode has been selected here, so that we're only going to be selecting edges that are visible to us. So I'm going to go ahead and click B to go into box mode, and it's just these two edges that we want. So I'm not going to try to box the whole thing. I just want to get these two edges like that. And let's see. Then I'm going to go to the knife tool. Knife tool right there. And I get this knife object. So my cursor turns into a knife. And then it says move the cursor to the left of the selected edges. Left click and drag a knife cut through the two edges. So now I'm cutting through the two edges. It says then left click again. Oh, left click. Am I not left clicking? Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah, you left click and then you hit enter to lock it in, kind of. That's what happens. Okay. So we did the knife cut, and then we hit enter or space bar actually to lock it in. So now I'm going to deselect this part, and then knife again. Oh no, now I'm going to select, I'm going to go into box mode again and select these two lower edges here. Then go into knife. And then similar kind of thing. We're clicking here, dragging through. And yeah, the trick was to hit either the space bar or enter to kind of lock it in. Well, let's see, let me try that again. Knife. Click here. Click there. Left click. And then space bar. Now we go. Now we're good. All right. So okay. So now we're we have the beginnings of a fin. This looks kind of funky though. It's kind of a big fin. So what we can do is go to vertex select mode. Let me see, Control Tab again, and pick vertex select mode. And yeah, you want to make sure you're deselected. So if you might need to hit the A key to make sure everything's deselected. And then go ahead and do another box select of these vertices here. And we can use the green arrow to kind of slide that in a little bit there. And deselect, and B, I could make this one a little smaller if I wanted to. Move in a little on this side. Okay, so now it's, and then I'll deselect. And now, so this is the rectangle that we're going to extrude here. So let's see. I'm gonna box select now all 4 of these vertices. Here's the next step. There we go. And then we switch to front view with the 1 on the num keypad. And if I hit E for extrude, I can extrude up or down. So it looks like if I want to do maybe about this much the first time. And so left click to, or enter to lock it in maybe. And then hit E to extrude again. There we go. We can extrude up to the top. And so I'll just show you, and I'll tab out of there. I'll just show you then, if you rotate out, this gives us a nice, so this is the piece that you're going to work with. The next steps are to, you know, manipulate it and make it more fin-like, but that's what gets it to be, you know, not taking up the whole width of the shark. Okay, so I hope that helped. If you have any more questions, like I said, I'll send you the startup file so you can, you know, start from where I started in this video. And if you have any more questions or problems, let me know.